Hey everyone, it's Gary Khan. Today I want to share a breakthrough I've had that has changed my relationship with exercise. At the start of 2020, I was feeling like I had really low energy levels. I was sleeping fine, I was eating right, and I realized that it was because I wasn't being active and I wasn't exercising. So first let me give you some context which I think is important. In the past, I've always gone through periods where I would exercise and be fit, and then I would lose motivation and I would stop exercising and I would gain some weight. There was definitely a cycle to this, and I justified that it just depended on my priorities. But the truth was that because I didn't like exercising, it was always something that I had to push myself to do. And then if I didn't have the motivation to push myself, then I would fall off. And I think most people can relate to this. So Tony Robbins says that fundamentally humans are driven by two forces: the desire to avoid pain and the need to gain pleasure. It's an oversimplification, but it works. When you view exercise as something that takes energy and causes you pain, it's very hard to push yourself to do it. So the breakthrough that I want to share is, how do you shift your mindset to view exercise as something that's pleasurable, that gives you energy? When I started exercising in 2020, it was because I realized that success in whatever field, personal or professional, requires a level of energy and vibrancy. Like, you need to be in the right state to be able to show up as your best self. A state like that can only be obtained when you take care of yourself and are mentally and physically fit. Exercise is proven to help physical and mental health. And maybe you know it intellectually, but you're saying, how do I start? Right? How do I emotionally get myself to do it so that I'm not pushing all the time, but I actually want to do it? My number one advice is going to be start small. I am someone who never ran before. I would run twice a year. How do I make myself start running and enjoy it? Start small. Make it enjoyable and feel good. I would sometimes run literally for 5 minutes around my block. Like, that's it, with an awesome song that I like. And yeah, simple and easy. Come back home and I'm like, oh, that was fun, let your body and mind remember that feeling and build from there. What's his name? I think it's James Clear that says, establish a habit before trying to perfect it, which is exactly what you need to do for exercise. So quick recap of this video. Number one, it's realizing that whatever field you're pursuing, success requires a certain level of energy and vibrancy. This can only be achieved when we take care of ourselves and are emotionally, mentally, and physically fit. So shift your perspective and realize that exercise is not something that takes energy from us. It's something that when you do consistently, you will get more energy. It will make us feel better. And even if I do go through those periods and dips, I feel like they've evened out a little bit. And exercise is something that I can return back to kind of reduce those dips of energy. That was number two. And number three is, how do you start? Start small. Establish a habit before trying to perfect it. Do it for 5 minutes, listen to a great song, make yourself feel good, and build from there. I hope this video helps someone out there. It really is something that has shifted my life in the last 2 years, and I'm happy to share it with you. And if you have any other tips to other people watching this video, please do share it in the comments below. Alright guys, take care, bye.